Hi, my name is Ellie and I wanted to hop on here to give you guys a quick honest review on this Fentgo hairdryer that I was sent. I was honestly, when I first received this, was blown away how small the packaging was. I was like, there's no way there's a hairdryer in there. But I opened it up and lo and behold, there was a hairdryer in there. I love how small and compact this is. It's great for traveling. We also don't have a ton of space in our bathroom, so it fits very nicely in there. I'm very impressed how high quality this feels. One thing I love about it is you have this filter in here which easily comes off on and off with a magnet, so you can clean this, because I know with my old hair dryers I would get lint and hair stuck in the vent all the time and I could never clean it, so my hair dryer would give out. Another thing about this hair dryer, it is very lightweight, making it very easy, especially for me. When I blow dry my hair, I always get so tired because my arms are up and down, but it blow dries my hair super fast. It's got a lot of power. You have this attachment right here which actually goes on and off with a magnet, which is really satisfying and very fun. But overall, this is the hair dryer. It looks super cool. When you turn it on, you've got two speed settings. You can do lower and higher speed, and then you can also adjust the temperature, so there's cold, medium, and then high. It's also not very loud, which is very nice because I don't have to worry about waking up my husband or baby. But let me just turn it on for you and show you guys. So as you can see, it's on hot, cold, and medium. It's very easy, very user-friendly, and like I said, it has got a lot of power. I'm very impressed with this hairdryer. Not to mention, it is very, very affordable, especially in terms of how high quality and how nice of a product you're getting. So if you're looking for an amazing hairdryer, this is definitely one that I would recommend, and I am so excited about this.